Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to warp text on bottle in Photoshop. After starting Photoshop, we can go to File folder. I have a bottle mockup image. I drag and drop into Photoshop to open the image. I press Ctrl 0 to view it. Next, we can go to left toolbar. We can use horizontal type tool to add text. And I click and we can start to type. For example, I type warp. Enter text, enter on, enter bottle. Next, we can go to move tool and we can resize the text, something like this. Next, we can go to layers window. If you don't find layers window, we can go to window and show layers here. Now we can go back layers window and select the type tool and use right click and convert it to smart objects. And then we can go to the image, edit, and then go to transform, we can find warp. And then go to top option bar, we can find cylinder. Now we can adjust it. For example, I move it here and adjust the width, and we can adjust the top edge to fit the label, and then we can adjust the bottom edge, and also we can change the size here. Now we can adjust the middle point to change the perspective. I keep it here. Now this is quite large, so I press enter first to apply the warp and click to apply. And we can use double click the smart object to adjust the size of the text. For example, I adjust it. I press Ctrl Z and adjust it to smaller. And press enter to apply it, and press Ctrl V and save the change. And go back, we can find that the text is warped on the bottle. If you want to make further adjustment, we can go back to edit and transform. We can find warp tool to adjust it again. So this is how we can warp text on bottle in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video we will share with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video.